As a blogger, your email list is one of your most valuable assets. And with that, your welcome email is the first email that your subscribers receive. It can be one of the most important emails you'll ever send. My name is Leslie Samuel, and in this video, I'm going to share how to craft the perfect welcome email. When someone opts into your email list, they're giving you somewhat of an indication that they're interested in whatever it is you have to offer. And that first impression can really make or break the deal. Now, since your welcome email is one of the things that makes that first impression, you want to make sure that you're hitting it out of the park with that email. So here are the elements of the perfect welcome email. The first thing you want to do is to thank them for subscribing. I mean, people are busy, and the simple fact that they took the time out of their busy lives to subscribe to your email list, that's something that you should be thankful for. A simple thank you for subscribing right at the beginning of your message makes a huge difference. Once you've thanked them for subscribing, you want to make sure that you deliver on your promise. Why did they subscribe in the first place? Was it because you said they were going to get a free ebook, a webinar, a course? Get straight to the point and give them access to the resource that they signed up for. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you set the right expectations. What can they expect to receive from you now that they are subscribed to your email list? I mean, will you be emailing them weekly? Is it going to be twice a week, once a month? Let them know so that they aren't surprised and so that they can look forward to what you have to offer. The last thing you want to make sure to include is something that so many bloggers forget to do. You want to make sure to include a call to action. Once someone subscribes to your email list, it's a good idea to get them to take action from the very beginning, because that sets the stage for you having subscribers who are engaging with you. And that can make the difference between success and failure. Now, this can be something as simple as click here to download the free guide that you promised, or it can be you getting them to reply to your email with their biggest struggle that's related to your niche or your industry. Or you can even get them to check out that awesome product that you have for sale that can really add some value to their lives. Keep that task very simple, but make sure to get them to take action. So let's recap. The elements of a perfect welcome email are as follows. First, you want to thank them for subscribing. Then you want to give them access to the resource that they signed up for. Then you want to make sure to set the right expectations by letting them know exactly what they're going to receive. And lastly, make sure to include a call to action. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you got a lot of value from it. My name is Leslie Samuel, and thank you for watching.